Hi there, Sandra here. One of the functions that there is in Shortcut slot, and it has been there for quite some time, although it does now have some more options, is the line fill. And where you might wonder, would you actually want to use line fill? Well, in some cases it's on lettering because all this text and indeed the heart were actually unfilled, hollow shapes. But I've put a line fill on them. In the case of this one here, I put in a spacing of 0.1 centimeters, and it's given a lovely, very neat looking linear look to it. Not a complete fill, but it's done a really pretty effective job for what I wanted. And then this one here, I cut the gap down in half, so it's 0.05 centimeters spacing. Now the pen that I used for both of these was the Uniball Signo silver one. I happen to love these pens. The only one that I don't really care for quite as much is the gold, because sometimes the ink separates in that one. Doesn't seem to do it on the silver, but on the gold I have had it separate. And then it goes to like an orangey colour and you don't really get the gold, and then that kind of defeats the object. But this one is a really, really nice silver pen. Doesn't ever seem to clump up or anything, just writes perfectly until it runs out. So I really do like this one. And this one is a broad tip one, it says on there. So it's got quite a chunky point to it, but it really is a really great pen for using in your cutting machine. So if you have a pen holder and something like this, you can do all kinds of not only drawing but filling in of text if you want to do that. You can also use this to use with a glue pen so that you can apply foils, if that's your particular preference. But it's really, really handy. Now, I have to say that when it comes to the Juliet, the only pen holder they give you is this one, which is for their sublimation pens. I don't have any of their sublimation pens, and none of my pens actually fit that holder. So yes, I did design and 3D printed, or I got my husband to 3D print for me, a series of holders like this one. No, I am not selling the holders. Most of the people who have a Juliet at the moment are, for example, in the United States, and it's just not worth me making them, getting to the post office, posting them, etc. It just really isn't worth the aggravation. So whether you will eventually be able to get holders like this or adapters like this, I do not know. There may be other pen adapters on the market that are designed for other machines, so maybe you should look into those until Siser actually come out with their own standard pen holder. I have no idea when that is going to be. This particular design that I did, I just really like this in its simplicity. I've got 5 different ones which cope with pretty much any pen I'm going to want to draw with on my machine, and literally all you do with this is just put it in until it won't go in any further, and then you put it in the holder and that's it, off you go. So I rather like that particular format. But if you want to get pen holders for your machines, leave comments down below, because the more people request them, the more likelihood there is that they're actually going to provide one at some point. If you don't ask, you don't get. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you again soon. Take care now.